Please subscribe to my channel Think Deep and hit the bell icon for more updates. Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. So before I begin this review, I want to ask you guys a question. So when you guys watch a film, how many of you notice the side actors, the sidekicks of a film? Do you even know their names? After all, do you know a big film remains incomplete without these side actors? But yet, these side actors don't get their due recognition. They don't get their due credits. And yet, these actors are very important. And not only they are actors, they are great talented actors. Well, the reason I'm asking you this question because I watched a film yesterday on Netflix called Kamyab. And believe you me, I really wanted to watch this film for a long time. This movie was made in the year 2018. I'm so happy Netflix finally bought this film. And yesterday when I was talking about how Netflix only gets hold of bad content. But trust me, I was really impressed watching this film. Please watch this film. So the movie Kamyab talks about these side actors. It's a tribute to these side actors, sidekicks. So like always, let me discuss the story of Kamyab in a nutshell. Kamyab, the entire film revolves around the character Sudhir, played brilliantly by Sanjay Mishra. He used to be a very famous sidekick in late 80s, like someone like Mac Mohan, someone like Viju Khote, someone like your Avtar Gill, many other like Kishto Mukherjee. These are side actors, some people know them, some people know them by face. So Sanjay Mishra plays a very similar character who was a very famous and a reputed sidekick during the late 80s. And all the audience could resonate and relate to his acting and his performances. So basically the film begins in the current scenario when a journalist is taking Sudhir interview, Sanjay Mishra, and she informs Sudhir that he has already completed 499 films. So initially in the interview, Sudhir seems very unenthusiastic, pretty bored, because he always feels that the hero always takes the limelight and sidekicks and side actors don't have or don't get much credit. But when the reporter, journalist shows him the IMDb list and informs him that he has already completed 499 films, he gets that boost and confidence. So basically the story in a nutshell is how Sanjay Mishra, the character Sudhir, decides to make his comeback, decides to make his 500th comeback and get back to limelight. And basically let his audience know that he's still alive and he's still that great actor he used to be. That's basically a basic plot of Kamyab. So will he be successful? Will he be basically able to create that 500 film? So basically if you watch the film, all your questions will be answered. So after that, what happens, you really need to watch to find out. Well, as far the technical details are concerned, I love the way Hardik Mehta has written the script. And the thought behind this film is pretty unique because I used to always ask myself and I used to always question what really happens to these side actors. What kind of life these side actors lead? Do people even know them? How they lead a life, how they sustain their life. So after watching this film, most of my questions were answered. After watching the film, I frankly believe that the script could have been a little more evolved, a little more explored. Because most of the characters were quite half-baked. I really wanted to know a backstory of Sanjay Mishra. How did he get into films? What was his family like? The relationship between his daughter and him was not very well explored. The only thing I could hear is through dialogues. I really wanted to know more about his life. And basically the script was written from only one perspective. I really wish there were more plot points. There were a little more twists and turns because somewhat I feel the film was going only one way. Little more plot point, twist here and there, layering would have made the film better. Frankly speaking, in between I got a little confused. I really was wondering what the movie wants to say. Because on one hand, Mr. Sanjay Mishra's character Sudhir has done around 499 films. But when he's on set and he's about to perform, he's faltering with small dialogues. So I was wondering, he's a quite experienced actor, old school, real actor. Why is he faltering on set? When he's getting another opportunity, why the hell he's faltering? So in between the film, I was kind of confused at what director wants to talk about, especially when this character is concerned. And Sanjay Mishra kills it. He always shines in every character you give him and he's a delight to watch. But overall, the film is quite a decent watch because the performances really shine. You'll get to see Avtar Gill, you'll get to see Sanjay Mishra, you'll get to see Lilliput, you'll get to see Goody, all the actors of 1980s who really made you smile. And I really like the way the director, Hardik Mehta, focused on minute details, minute performances. And I loved also Deepak Dobriyal's acting was superb. He played the role of a friend turned casting director. Basically, he was basically I'm trying to act like Mukesh Chhabra, and he did a great job. Deepak Dobriyal is definitely one actor you shouldn't miss. You should watch all his films. And Deepak Dobriyal in that small role also shines. I love his performance. So I think the movie stands out because of its performances. Overall, Kamyab is a decent watch and definitely depicts reality. And yesterday I was talking about realism. This movie is real. Right from the performances, right from the nuances, right from the props, the setting, this movie looks very real. So all these aspects really made me like this film. And the climax, I think, got a little dragged. And I was hoping for a different climax, but somewhat this movie did appeal to me. I'm sure it'll appeal to you also. So please watch the film. Kamyab is a Kamyab effort. Kudos to Hardik Mehta, and he's a talented director. He has been an AD to Vikramaditya Motwane, so definitely his work shines, stands out. All the best to you, Hardik Mehta. So Kamyab it is this Sunday. Please watch it, share your feedback. If you want to get in touch with me, Instagram Deep Basu, Twitter Deep Basu1, and YouTube my channel is Team Deep Basu. Please subscribe, share the word. I need more subscribers. So guys, I sign off. This is Deep Basu. I'll be back again soon with a new review, a new film, a new trailer. So guys, sign off.